Welcome to Raghu English.
In this video, we discuss how to make complex sentences and how important it is for scoring your grammar. Please watch my video, Score Grammar and Score IELTS, talking in complex sentences. It's a way to score your IELTS exam. A complex sentence has one main clause and many other dependent clauses. They are connected with the complex connectors. What are these connectors? Is there a way to know them? Of course, yes. We now present you BUTASBIS WHITE. It is one word for most common complex connectors in English. Knowing this word will connect you with a bunch of common complex connectors. Let's look at each letter and what they stand for. In this word, B stands for because, U for unless, T for that, A for us, S for still, B for before, I for if, S for so that, W for all WH questions like when, where, who, whose, whom, and why, and while, H for however, I for if only, T for therefore, E for even though, although, visual success.
Thank you for watching Raghu English as a prime channel study and tuitions.